Welcome back to day 11. We have been in the same clothes for 11 days now.
Yep.
And we're doing okay with that.
Yeah, we really are.
Yep. It's quarantine rules, right?
Yes.
Right. I know a lot of us just lived in our pajamas and
It's like a good luck thing. So
Right.
it's like you wear the same socks
Right.
for every playoff game
Right.
before the Super Bowl.
Right.
So we're just doing this to
have good luck to make sure we get good stuff.
Yeah. So that we can get to that mystery
That's
box
right.
at the end.
Mystery box, still waiting to see what's in there. All right, Kerrigan, what box are you opening?
Here's this box.
Big old brown box.
Does not have a battery symbol on it, so I'm gonna say it's not a camera, which is fine.
Right.
We'll discover what it is in a moment.
Right.
Oh, this is exciting.
Is it?
For any of you that have been in the video room,
Oh yeah.
you know.
Or for any of you who have been looking for a pair to borrow.
Here we go. These awesome headphones. We love these in the video production room. They last a super long time. They have great concert sound quality. 25 years strong.
Yeah.
Straight out the box.
Straight up. And let's see, how many pairs of those do we have in here? We have one. We'll just make a stack of them here.
So many. And also, we've got some great new things.
Woo!
These are new Manfrotto tripods. We have some really big, hefty, heavy tripods in the video production room that we love, but we wanted something a little bit more easily transportable. And so we are super excited.
And we have more new cameras, so we need more tripods.
Exactly. So we are super excited to use these and bring them to the field for games and bring them to on-site interviews.
So we have 6 new pairs of headphones, which
two
is
tripods.
2 tripods.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh.
This is gonna mean nothing to you, or I think we're straying off camera here.
We're back.
We're back. Hi. I think this is part of a kit that's coming up soon.
Here we have our optics care and cleaning kit for our lenses.
Yep.
Super important to keep those dust free.
That's right. And this is a little pouch for something you'll see soon. Oh, and this box goes with the mystery box.
Ooh, and this is an all-in-one USB card reader so that we can easily upload our footage from the cameras to the computers that we edit on, which is super exciting.
So wow, that was a big day 11. Lots in the box.
Yeah, really exciting.
Good pick. Exciting. Hopefully day 12 will be just as good. See you tomorrow.